friends, today for science, this little video that I'm making should be pretty short. We're going to do just like we did yesterday, but instead of making your shadow in the morning, you're going to make your shadow in the middle of the day, preferably around 3 p.m. And remember, like I said, if you can't go outside around 3 p.m. safely today, then make sure you try to go out on another sunny day this week. You have until Friday at 3 p.m. to get your pictures in. So our objectives are the same as yesterday. We will review what a shadow is. The only difference is that today I will draw a picture of my shadow or take a picture of your shadow in the middle of the day instead of the morning. So preferably around 3 p.m. should show you that difference in shadow. Here's your review video again if you need help remembering what a shadow is. In order to have shadows, we have to have a light source. So a lamp or a flashlight or the sun. You need something that puts off the light to have a shadow. And in order to have a shadow, something has to be blocking the light. So like I said in this picture, there's a guy standing outside. The sun is shining on him. It can't go through him, so it blocks the light and creates a shadow of him behind him. And for your assignment today, you're going to do the same thing. Click here and go to the Google form and upload your picture or your artwork of your shadow, but you're going to do your shadow in the middle of the day.